Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup and installation for the Mova V70 Ultra Complete. If you're interested in the Mova V70, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals and our newly launched robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check out all of those links in the description. So let's get right to it. Our vacuum's powered on. We have the Mova app downloaded on our phone. It's a free app available for iOS and Android devices. Top right hand corner, we got to hit that plus icon so we can scan the QR code for our vacuum cleaner. So there's our QR code. We're going to scan it right now. So we just scanned it. At this stage, they do have a location permission that you will want to allow to access Wi-Fi network information. So go ahead and select allow once. You'll be taken to this next screen to enter your Wi-Fi information. Make sure you connect to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, then select next. Now make sure the device is turned on. Ours is already turned on. Select next. Release the hotspot. So press and hold both the power and the home button for 3 seconds and we'll hear a voice.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Got the prompt. Hit next. Now at this stage, we need to connect to the device hotspot connection. So select that. There it is. Hit join. Now we wait. Now it's working on connecting. Once this is done, we'll be able to hit that finish button.
Phone connected. Please return to app to wait for the result.
Okay, so they're connected. We got to wait another second for the app to catch up. There we go. It's received the Wi-Fi network data, and now it's working on connecting to the network.
Network connected successfully.
Network's connected.
Place robot back into dock before starting task.
Now we can hit finished.
Start charging. It means the installation is in place.
And there we go. The V70 Ultra Complete has now been set up with the Mova app. Simple, straightforward.